That's how you start a fire. And she's going. Okay, fam. It's East Tennessee, and it's cold. It's getting colder by the minute. It's supposed to snow in the next couple of hours. I've already covered my wood pile with my black peace tarp from that favorite flatbedding company that, if you go back in my videos and go look and see, you'll see where I acquired the tarp. Didn't steal it, because no, stealing's bad. But have to get ready for the snow. And being a pro ho, if you don't know what it means, professional homeowner. That's a thing. But here in the South, we do things a little different than the West and the East Coast. So an East Coast pro ho and a West Coast pro ho, they have to get ready for the snow. But over here in the South, we're about to call ourselves Sohos. Yeah, Southern homeowner, by the way. Not someplace in England or London, wherever, I guess. If you guys are from England, yeah, you chime in and let me know exactly where Soho is, because I'm still clueless. But it's my new shop. It ain't new. It's been in Cummins for about a year. Still missing a light right here because the door, it is a hole. Yes. Why'd I go with 12? Well, 16 wide. Residential size. Easy to move things in, like you know, an RV maybe one day. Just keeping my options open, really. I don't really know if I want to get an RV. It's kind of beyond me. I'm more of a let's find a project truck that's almost 99% done, that if I have to add, like, I don't know, tires or something to it, shop can do it. That's where I'm at. That's who I am, you know. But anyways, on to today's projects. Alrighty, it's that big tarp I was telling you about. It's about almost 2 cords in there. Not quite 2 cords, but really close to it. It's red oak and a little bit of ash. Not much, just a little bit. I've got some red oak over here and some ash over here that's been down for a minute. Ash is good because you can burn it right away. Oh boy. Anyways, got to change the oil in that bad boy first, but we're gonna move the car inside. Get it out of the snow, because we're supposed to get about, I don't know, 6 inches. It's really hard to tell, but this is the normal view of my shop without that wide angle lens on. It's really hard to tell everything, but hey, both cars fit in. I've got my shop heater going over there. It's a turbo heat blower. I opted to get one of those because it's quick and dirty. They are expensive, don't get me wrong, but man, even with the door open, it does raise the temperature about 10 degrees. It's 28 right now, and it says it's 40 in the shop. So even with that big door open, it's doing a thing. But I'm gonna change the oil in this bad boy. I'm gonna change the blower motor in this bad boy. I wanna set everything up for a YouTube camera, so hey, we'll be good. And the good thing about these lights, you don't see the flickering. None of that flickering crap. So yeah, anyways. So today, we're working on a 2014 Toyota Venza with a blown blower motor. So, let's diagnose the issue. Let me first turn the heat off. Morning from the Homestead. Yeah, covered my wood pile last night instead of stacking it. Yeah, because, you know, I went to bed last night and I woke up and I thought, you know, let's get the cars out of the way. Let's do some, you know, other stuff. Put both cars in the in the building. I was pretty excited about that. You two can have the same deal if, one, you have a garage. 2, you have a shed that, you know, has at least a roof or maybe 1 or 2 walls. Or, you know, just put you up a building with no garage door in it. FYI, that's coming, by the way. It's like 2 or 3 weeks out. All for the low price of, before the garage door, $25K. After the garage door, with taxes and possibly adding a little bit of electrical stuff, we'll just round it off at a solid $29,500. It's real close to that, probably 24. And all right, 29, 20, 29.5, 29, 29.4 or something, you know, but we'll just round it up 29.5. I did all this over the course of a year, so don't think I'm rich, because I'm not. I'm not rich. I just work way too much. So, got to go start a fire today. Why? Because my fire has thus died, and I need to start a fire. Oh boy. All the snow we're getting here in East Tennessee is crazy. 3 inches. We're going to die, but this cold fire is going to get started. Here we go. Okay. All right. Yeah. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. Turn the gas on. Oh, here we go. And that's how you start a fire. And she's going. It says we got 8 inches, but in places I see 13. So I don't know if it's the drifts. I think it's just where it snowed heavier than others. And man, I hope that don't build up to be a nice dam. That would suck. But I'm digging out the wood pile because, well, you know, been stacking on the porch like a good boy. Oh boy. But look at all this. This is crazy, y'all. This southern homeowner, or as I like to call it, a SoHo, not a pro-ho, because all them peoples are from the West Coast and the East Coast. That's a driveway, believe it or not, asphalted. I do have the Roadrunner -5 salt waiting to go down once I get it plowed and I dig out my wood pile. Well, this is nasty, but our state guys, oh look, the plow guy's here. Look at that, the plow guys. That's insane. Yes, the plows are here. But he was salting. He wasn't plowing, so it says something. I'll have to film coming back to my place because boy, it's nasty. But that's one thing we do in the South. We gravel. We don't plow, we gravel. Oh well. We'll get her done now. Checkers or wreckers. Come on now.